Don't think that the tools are more important than the mindset. The mindset is more important than the tools. We're giving you a roadmap. I've sold many millions of dollars worth of professional services, and I don't think I've ever had the conversation go exactly the way that I'm going to outline for you that it, quote unquote, should go. There's 4 parts to a sales conversation. There's the opening, there's the problem identification, there's where you weigh the pros and the cons and discuss the different options, and then the close. Whether it closes with the decision that you are going to get to work on their case right away, that's one close, or you are never going to talk to that lunatic ever again for the rest of your life, that's a different close. They're closed. If anyone here has ever had an appointment with me, you know the first things out of my mouth when we get on the phone is what? Is this a good time? I want to know if this is a good time because I want to be respectful for you, and I don't want to waste my time. Hey, listen, now that you mention it, no, my kid just fell out of the tree and the school called me and I got to run out of here to go, pick him up because they think he might have a broken leg. Okay, well, that'll be okay. Why don't you run out the door after we have the sales conversation to discuss, how to get the finances of your law firm under control? I mean, you're all laughing, but I'm telling you, this is happening in your sales conversations with people. To make the best use of our time together today, I'd like to propose an agenda. First, I'd like to learn more about your situation, and then I'll share with you the parts about my business, my law firm, me, whatever, that I think would be most helpful for you. Do not do it the other way around. You can make an extra $100,000 a year just by getting this in the correct order. No one is coming to see you because they have a legal problem. Every prospective client who comes to see you is coming to see you because they have a personal problem. You need to be able to tell me what the problem or opportunity means to the client in terms of the client's time, in terms of the client's money, in terms of the client's reputation. Then you get into options, and you just give them options. We could do this, we could do that. These are the pros and the cons of this option. These are the pros and cons of that option. You give them the respect to let them make the decision which option is best for them. The decision comes before the price. The decision comes before the price. Do you need to know the price of the liver and onions before you make the decision whether you want the liver and onions? Why not? Because you don't want the liver and onions. We offered you the liver and onions for $10 and you said no. So now I'm going to offer it to you for $8 and then $5 and then $4. I'm going to try to get you to want the liver and onions by keep lowering the price. See how self-defeating this is? But this shit goes on every day out there, and you wonder why you have such a hard time closing sales. It's not about you. It's about them. Does this sound like a formula, or does this sound like just common sense? This is just common sense. This is just like normal conversation between normal human beings who didn't get fucked up by law school. All right? Just do it this way. All right?